guys, it's your girl, the Glamorous Herbalist, and I am here to present my first pair of Ego shoes. I came across this brand on Facebook. You know how they clutter your timeline with ads, so I had to check it out. I usually buy my clothes from the UK, so I figured why not buy my shoes from the UK too. So this will be a simple unboxing video, so hang in there and we'll cut this open and see what's inside. Now I'm going for shoes that will contribute to my spring and summer looks that I've been plotting on since winter. So these, I felt like these would be the perfect addition to my wardrobe. So let's check it out. Wow, this is a super cute snakeskin box along with this snakeskin packaging. I cannot wait to slay these. Let me tell you, the outfits that I have in mind coming hard this summer. But that's my unboxing. Ego shoes, you see the website here. So thanks you guys for tuning in. See you later.
So you bagged him. I'm a savage.